Hello guys, today we are in our home lab and we are going to learn about burning of magnesium ribbon. Burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical process in which the magnesium metal that reacts with atmospheric oxygen and forms magnesium oxide. It's a chemical reaction, and for that we would require this magnesium ribbon coil, tongs. You can get this coil from Amazon easily. You can get it from any online store. This watch glass to hold the ashes of magnesium, this Bunsen burner. You can also use alcohol burner. So we are going to light up this Bunsen burner. So now this is lit. We will hold this magnesium ribbon in the tongs. Be precautious about it because it emits a very strong bright light. Okay, very cautious. Don't look at the flame directly, or you should use goggles while you're doing this experiment. Okay, and I'm also doing this under a fume hood, so I will not look at this flame directly. So in this, light up, introduce this magnesium, and you can see the burning of magnesium ribbon with bright light. Okay, we will connect it up. This white ash is magnesium oxide. Now this is magnesium oxide, and all the oxides of metals are basic in nature. So just to confirm it, we will add a little water in this watch glass and make a paste of it. Now this is a reaction with the water, and also remember that oxide of magnesium means magnesium oxide is not readily dissolvable in the water. It forms a paste-like thing. And do you know in which medicine it used for? Put down that in the comment section. Okay. Now this has reacted with the water, and now this is a base. It's not alkali, because alkalis, they dissolve in water. It doesn't dissolve in water. It forms a paste. So to confirm whether it is basic, so we will use this phenolphthalein indicator and see if it changes any color. We will open it and see. Bases turn phenolphthalein indicator from colorless to magenta pink. So this is the final response of our reaction, and what we learned, that the magnesium, it burnt into oxygen, formed magnesium oxide. It dissolved with the water, forming magnesium hydroxide. And to confirm whether it is a hydroxide, it's a base, we used phenolphthalein indicator, and that indicator turned from colorless to magenta pink.